Ankush is also here.
When you walk away, my heart drops to the floor. They said it would get easier.
हमेशा अपना को
I don't know who for.
For the car.
I swear I can feel them slip
There is shore.
but some things last
Guys, the light is so good.
forever. The love that never fades.
कर गए हैं। से हम लोग 40 मिनट से खड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पे। मैं बता रही हूँ। हाँ। Hi guys, good morning. So I'm ready and Ankush is also here. We are going to a place from where we are going to start a new beginning and we are bringing you with us. So once we reach there, we will have a long talk with you. So
We'll update you more on this.
yeah, we'll update you more on this. I made sandwiches last night because our flight got cancelled, which was supposed to happen last night. So I'm just going to have food. Shisha nahi dekha. Ankush was literally,
Last minute packing.
last minute packing and
छूटना है।
and mainly because of this new rule of baggage, no? So you really have to figure out what exactly you're bringing.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, I'm going to get sandwiches.
And I need coffee badly.
He needs coffee badly. Yeah, black coffee. Oh. Ankush is making coffee right now.
Quick coffee.
Yeah, a quick coffee, and we'll have our sandwiches, we'll have our coffee, and then we'll head out. So Ankush has done a brilliant job. So because we are going, Didi is going to take care of our plans. So he has actually put some of the plans here so that she doesn't forget. And he has installed these cameras here and I think also in the bedroom. Hi. Here. I'm going to miss this shisha, this mirror, my vanity for some time, but then it is what it is. Like, we have to go. If not now, then it will be too late. I'll show you one more thing what we have done, so you guys can also do the same if you are a plant lover like me. So this is what I have done. So I have actually put all the small plants in one place only, so that when my Didi comes, she can just, water at once. And yeah, these are the seedlings. I think this one is tomato. One of them was broccoli. I know this is not the time for broccoli, but then somehow it came. And one of them is Cosmos. So yeah. Okay guys, so we have our bags and everything here. I'm taking this book. It is the only place where I get to read properly. So this is the book I'm going to read. Last time when I went to Delhi, I read 40 Rules of Love. No, I read 40 Rules of Love. I'll put that link also if you guys want to check that book out. Yeah, I put them in the oven so they become crunchy now. Your t-shirt is still crushed. चलिए?
चलो.
Okay, we'll see you in the car now. We used to go with 3 luggages, right? Earlier. Now I just do 1 for each, and this has my favorite color also.
चलो.
Let's go. फोन कहाँ है मेरा? अच्छा. Sorry. हम बहुत दिनों बाद एक छोटी सी ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं और ये ट्रिप इज मोर लाइक वर्केशन. हम काम के लिए जा रहे हैं और वो ट्रिप ही हो गई है. Let's go. ये मुझे ना चप्पलों को भागना नहीं जाता. I'll open doors for you. Okay, guys. I have to rush. Let's go. I think we are late because निकलते निकलते थोड़ा सा शूट करते हुए काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है. फ्लाइट तो हमारी 8:40 की है. देखते हैं. आई थिंक न्यू वाले उससे ही होगा ना. हाँ बट आई थिंक सुबह वाली तो उससे से होती है. दिल्ली की सारी फ्लाइट्स उधर से होती है, ऐसा तो मुझे मतलब पता है. वहाँ गेट पे जाके पता चल जाता है. खड़े होते हैं वहाँ पे ना.
Waking with no how could a poem hold the way I see your soul? All the colors, all the feelings.
So we have reached Aero Mall. तो यहाँ पे हमने अपनी गाड़ी पार्क करी है. And यहाँ से then we'll go to the airport.
Slip into the cold and step outside. A dark and quiet road.
बंद है ये वाला करना पड़ेगा. ये कर. B1 में ही तो हैं हम. बेसमेंट में से बेसमेंट में ही जाओगे. वाओ. सेकंड पे जाना है. सेकंड पे ब्रिज टू एयरपोर्ट. पता है मुझे कैसे याद है? क्योंकि वो पीछे लिखा हुआ है.
हमारी फ्लाइट डिले हो गई है हम लोग जैसे ही गाड़ी पार्क करके हम लोगों ने आए अंदर,
ऐसे ही मैसेज आ गया।
हाँ जैसे एरो मॉल से बाहर निकले वैसे ही हाफ एन आवर डिले है, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो विल बी एबल टू रीच ऑन टाइम। देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है। आइडली मेरी वर्कशॉप है 2 बजे, सो आई डोंट थिंक सो विल बी एबल टू रीच बिफोर 2 o'clock.
बस 9-10 पे इन्होंने बोला
या 9-10 they said.
मैसेज आया, बट आई एम श्योर इट्स गोना बी अनदर 10-20 मिनट्स।
सो देखते हैं आगे जाके प्लान क्या होता है, विल अपडेट यू।
slow fall into
इट्स कॉफी बहुत देर से जरूरत है।
So flight is delayed like by half an hour, और हम लोग
हाफ एन आवर तो अभी है, मे बी और ज़्यादा हो जाए।
हाँ अभी और ज़्यादा हो जाओ। और दिल्ली की सारी फ्लाइट्स इंडिगो की कैंसल्ड, आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट रीजन। मतलब बाकी तो चल रही है, सिर्फ दिल्ली की कैंसिल है। सो एंड हम लोग पहले भी पहुंच गए थे ना, पहले पहुंच गए थे एयरपोर्ट। हाँ
रास्ता ट्रैफिक वगैरह नहीं मिला तो मेरी स्टडी।
and my soul is
लेट्स सी। तो अभी वी आर फिगरिंग आउट कि हम लोग नीचे लाउंज जाते हैं और थोड़ा सा वी हैव सम एडिटिंग वर्क, तो थोड़ा सा वो काम करेंगे एंड देन विल कम बैक।
you call me back to bed.
अभी तो बहुत टाइम, ऑलमोस्ट 2
I
days।
find myself again staring at the edge, slow fall into the
Okay, so this is the lounge washroom because the flight was quite delayed. After 9:10 they said it's 9:40 now. So I'm just going to quickly show you how the washroom in Pune lounge looks like. Obviously this is not the most aesthetic place I want to show you, but
child again. Wake up a while.
it's so shitty. I'm sorry, but it's not maintained at all.
I rise a child again. Wake up a while when it takes me there.
And this is the coffee section. It's the lounge.
Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be.
So बस हम जल्दी भाग कर आए हैं because we were having our food in the lounge and then we got a call that flight is here.
Wake up a while.
पुणे एक सैनिक हवाई अड्डा है और यहाँ तस्वीरें लेना मना है। धन्यवाद।
Video लेना नहीं।
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome on board flight 6E2661. Delhi is approximately 1 hour and 40 minutes away. Our aviators today are captain strictly prohibited. Thank you.
ब्लू चिप मेंबर्स का हार्दिक स्वागत है। धन्यवाद। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, जानकारी पर ध्यान दें। सरकारी नियमानुसार विमान में
From Always Safe to Service from Hutch, we are committed to making your journey hassle-free and comfortable.
B-roll time.
Have your attention, please. We are anticipating turbulence, and the captain has instructed us not to serve any hot beverages at this time.
So we have just landed Delhi and the plan is slightly changed. So we'll not be going to my mother's place, which is in Faridabad. It's going to take almost 2 hours.
सभी यात्रियों बच्चों से निवेदन है कि अपने स्थान पर बैठ रहें और कुर्सी की पीढ़ी बांधे रखें। धन्यवाद। May I have attention please, requesting all the passengers and kids to remain seated and fasten your seatbelts please. Thank you. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, सभी यात्रियों से अनुरोध है कि वे अपने स्थान पर ही बैठे, कुर्सी की पेटी को बांधे रखें और सामान कक्ष ना खोलें। धन्यवाद। May I have attention please, we request all the customers to please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened and kindly do not open the overhead bin. Thank you.
So it's already 12 and I have a workshop that I need to host. You guys won't be knowing about it. I mostly talk about it on Instagram. So there are a lot of workshops that I host and the workshop is supposed to happen from 2. So I don't have much time. So we have booked the hotel in Delhi itself. So we'll be going there, host the workshop and then probably go tomorrow. Waiting for the car. तो हम लोग अभी भी होटल पहुंच नहीं पाए हैं and we just have another hour left and we are waiting for our Uber to arrive. Let's see. थोड़ी सी गर्मी है but I think पुणे से better है. The car has arrived. कितना समय दिखा रहा है भाई? आज तो वर्कशॉप गाड़ी में करनी पड़ेगी मुझे. ये पानी हमारे लिए है भैया? क्या बात है, इम्प्रेसिव. So this is luminous is mostly the light of it. So if I move this towards the pink, so anything which is in the pink. I just finished my workshop and we took a small nap. Ankush took a nap and I just rested for 30 minutes and we have come out for coffee and just some snacks because my parents are going to have my parents are coming and we are going to have a dinner together after our marriage, after 2 years, everyone together. So yeah, and let me show you what we have got. So this is focaccia sandwich.
It looks different from
Yeah, because that उसकी bread बहुत tight थी. इसकी bread अच्छी है. Okay, let's begin.
So we had tried the same thing in Pune also. It's called Pune. But the difference is in the bread. The bread is so soft. Now it was very hard.
This is how you eat sandwich. So guys, my parents are here. Meet mummy. ये लोग अभी अभी आए हैं और हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा खाना मंगाया है। तो वो फिनिश अच्छा होता है।
कितना अलग है।
हाँ मॉर्निंग गाइस। So, कल रात को इतनी बढ़िया नींद आई। We came really late around 10 o'clock and we just crashed and सुबह हम लोग around 8 o'clock उठे हैं and just got ready and I'll show you the view also. So this is City Walk and we're just staying right next to it. So that's why the view is really good here. And we are about to head out for a quick coffee and then we look into my mother's place. Have you seen a golden lift?
वहाँ पे
And here is the golden boy.
आगे से बड़ी बड़ी गोल्डन होगी। उसमें थी you remember when we went to ITC वो वाला मुंबई वाला
हाँ
बट वो तो बहुत क्लासी थी मतलब that was like vintage like
हाँ।
golden था उसमें
gold. Yeah. We will give you a review of this hotel guys अच्छे से. Guys the light is so good. बस यहीं पे ही है.
नहीं but background this side you have to
So we are going to Pluto guys for a quick coffee.
walk up the side
Yeah. हल्दीराम is also here. छोले भटूरे खाने.
बंद है
छोले भटूरे खाने अंकुश.
खाने तो है
दुकान बंद है.
it always gives you you know it always keeps you in two mind whether you want to have it or not. When you see something on Instagram you would definitely like to have it but then when you are there you know when you can have it then you think should I have it or not.
That is true. Is it closed? Opening to 7 AM लिखा है भाई. कैपुचिनो एक वो भी थी ना स्पेनिश कैपुचिनो भी इधर. So our sandwich is here. Let's taste. This is yours.
why it is mine
The big one is mine. I'm more hungry.
अच्छा
Wow. So good. कितने दिनों बाद हमने गरम गरम खाया है. तो घर में तो मंगाते हैं सेम बट ठंडा हो जाता है.
ठंडा हो जाता है
So good. Now the coffee. Got this book. Ankush has selected this book. This is originally from Japan and it's been translated.
I think I'm going to choose this book, The Things You Can See Only When You Slow Down. This is something, you know, I can relate to and everyone can relate to, I guess.
So we are not choosing this book. He is choosing this one and I'm choosing the
Hunchback.
yeah Hunchback. Cool. Okay, let's go. We got a Blinkit because I forgot my shampoo and we got some bread, sardo, and now we are going back to our hotel and quickly going to check out. कुछ मच्छर था चिपक गया. आओ finally we have reached Kashmir. So finally we have reached Kashmiri Gate. So this is the first time reaching Kashmiri Gate. And अभी बस हमने एंट्री करी है और अभी नीचे जाते हैं और देखते हैं. आई थिंक प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 11 to 14 से बस मिलेगी. So we'll find out and then we'll see you in the bus. We have boarded the bus. Although we didn't like the bus, we'll give you a full review. But since we have boarded,
Yeah, we didn't have much option. We have to board it.
yeah, we had to board it. So now we will, I think, take a break somewhere around 11 or 12, and then we will meet you. पूरी बस में ऐसे मच्छर ही मच्छर भर गए हैं. ऐसे हम लोग 40 मिनट से खड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पे. और ड्राइवर एंड कंडक्टर में इतनी कर्टसी भी नहीं है कि वो बता सके कि प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई है और कितना टाइम लगेगा. फेमस तो करना पड़ेगा इनको. मैं बता रही हूँ. दिस इज द बस नंबर